Welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. When I was a little girl, I absolutely loved having relationship talks with my grandmother and overhearing relationship talks with older women. They absolutely deposited nuggets of wisdom into my life that I will cherish forever. Now, some of these you may have heard along the way, and some of them you may be hearing for the very first time. Either way, I'm going to share with you the real keys to a man's heart. Now, before we get started, I would like for you to do two things. Number one, grab a sheet of paper and jot down what you think they are and let me know what you got right in the comments, along with any other keys you'd like to add. And number two, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Home Chef for sponsoring this video, as we all know that food is definitely a major key to every man's heart. My grandmother said so anyway. I am sure that you've heard before that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, and that could not be more true. My husband absolutely loves to eat, and preparing homemade romantic dinners is always a way to show him my love and appreciation. Acts of service is definitely one of his love languages, and if you haven't read that book, I definitely recommend that book. But Home Chef makes it so easy for me to prepare homemade dinners at home, and with Valentine's Day being right around the corner, creating a beautiful meal for him is just, I'm telling you guys, it will definitely win his heart over. Now, whether he's the type of guy that likes steak and potatoes, or if he's the type of guy that likes chicken and homemade, Sunday type dinners, Home Chef has an array of menu options. If he's more of a health, conscious guy, they definitely have menu options for that as well. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is visit their website, sign up, pick the meal options that you find most applicable for what your man likes to eat, and you order it and schedule your delivery date, and it's done. Once it comes in, it comes with easy instructions for cooking, and it takes, maybe 30-40 minutes or less, depending on what you choose. And I'm telling you guys, you will definitely get to his heart through his stomach with these delicious meals from Home Chef. The service is easy, it's fast, it's friendly, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. The next key that I think is imperative is to make him laugh. Play games, tell jokes, do whatever it takes. I think that laughter is the root of all good memories. It also tends to make people feel better instantaneously. Getting a man to crack up regularly is a powerful way to instill in him that you are a key ingredient in life's recipe for forever happiness. The next key that I believe is definitely a way to a man's heart is to tell him a secret. And you only do this when you're comfortable with this person. I think that sharing your vulnerability and your openness with him will demonstrate trust. And when you trust and when trust is reciprocated, it definitely breeds closeness. And if you can muster the courage to lead the way in establishing a mutual trust, you will also lay the groundwork for a very strong and lasting relationship. Gifting someone with a present for absolutely no reason definitely is a key to winning their heart. A gift randomly given is more special than one received on any holiday, such as Valentine's Day or a birthday. And when you present someone with a token of love and appreciation for no reason, it becomes very clear that you're doing it out of pure kindness. And it says that you care every day and not just on a special day. And of course, everyone responds well to a special surprise. So I think that sentimental gifts such as handmade cards and scrapbooks and handwritten letters definitely touches their heart. And they may not say anything right then, but their action after you display this love and kindness through the sentimental gift will absolutely speak volumes. And finally, I think that when you discover their passion and you implement it into your relationship, it is definitely a key to their heart. Find out their passion and implement an activity around it. It can range from attending a sporting event to tagging along with them on a fishing trip or something they enjoy to do. If you ever want to get a man to talk, strike up a conversation about their passion. You will learn so much along the way. And so there you guys have it, my top 5 keys for how to win a man's heart. Don't forget to visit homechef.com and to use my code Melanie30 to save $30 off your first order. So now that you have all of my keys, we are going to set the table. I promised you guys this red velvet tablescape some time ago. And as you can see, I already have the tablecloth and the table runner in place, and you guys have seen me do that 100 times in my other videos. And then for the dishware, I decided to keep it very casual, but with just a hint of elegance because I didn't want it to be super formal. So now we have the place settings in place. We're only doing a romantic dinner for 2, so thus is the reason you only see 2 place settings here. This would be perfect again for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, I mean, you name it, it would be perfect for any time of the year. So without any further ado, let's decorate the remaining parts of the table. Okay, hold up, stop the train, stop the press. I don't want you guys to miss out on a detail here. The linen napkin matches the linen runner, and it is also lined with red velvet. I just want you guys to see that, that's all. Now back to the regularly scheduled program. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you my keys and the nuggets of wisdom that I've picked up over the years when it comes to winning a man's heart, or, you know, the right man's heart anyway. So definitely, I hope you guys got something from this video. And of course, every relationship is different. Every person is different. So that applies to your life. Feel free to grab it, and if it doesn't apply, leave it right here, and I'm sure the right person will come along. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed this, and if you're interested in jumping on this love train this year, be sure to visit homechef.com. I will leave the link down below, and don't forget to use my code Melanie30. For those of you who are using Home Chef for the very first time, it will allow you to save $30 off your very first order. And I also have a a $40 gift card. I actually have two $40 gift cards. So for those of you guys who are interested in being entered into that contest, be sure to leave a comment down below. And if you comment down below, I will put you into a pool and we will do a random drawing. So thank you guys so much again for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.